Hey, it's at the Rough Country. I'm gonna show you step by step on how to install our doors for the Can-Am Defender. First step to get started is to pop the back of the seat off. Next, we're gonna take off the shoulder bar, removing the top bolts. Then move down to the bottom with your 10mm socket. Make sure to keep one of these bottom bolts to install your limit straps. If equipped with a roof, remove these caps here. Next, we're gonna install the upper rear door hinge with the provided hardware. Run these down, but do not tighten yet with a 13mm. Next, we're gonna lift up the factory bed to gain access for the lower door hinge bracket. We provide adequate hardware whether you have 2 or 4 holes. When you drive these bolts down with your 13mm, do not tighten all the way. Next, we're gonna hang the door on the hinges that we just loosely installed. Now we're gonna move to the front and install our striker assembly. We're gonna take our flag nut with our striker mount and install it into this factory location. Next, put the striker onto the bracket. Next, we're gonna gently shut the door and get the door latch to align with the striker. For optimal alignment, the striker is adjustable so you can get that perfect fit. After double checking our position, now we'll go in and tighten all of our hardware. Now that we've gotten our doors aligned and our bolts tightened down, the limit strap is the final step to complete the install. And make sure you remember where you put the factory bolt from the shoulder bar removal, because we will use that same bolt to put the limit strap bracket in that same location. With your doors installed, you're ready to hit the trail. And if you don't have a set yet, get yours today at roughcountry.com.